Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a freshly restored 1967 Camaro. It's got a 383 stroker in it by Randy's Performance, literally brand new. 600 horsepower, aluminum heads, Muncie 4-speed, M21. She's finished in Nantucket blue. Brand new paint job. It's got a Ford 9-inch rear. Actually by Moser Performance. 31 spline axles, Posi with a 389 gear. Nice big Cowl hood, steel. Got hideaways up front. They're electronic. Beautiful fitment of all the panels. Brand new chrome bumpers, front and rear. New tires. New American Racing Tour Thrust wheels. Brand new handles, all new stainless. Mirrors. Rear bumper is also brand new. All new floors, trunk pan. Everything. This paint is beautiful. It's got a little bit of metallic in it. Shows very well. Great color. Under the hood, yeah, we got a 383 stroker, 600 horse, long tube headers, aluminum heads. New. Battery, 6AL, blaster coil, MSD distributor. It's fully electronic. Edelbrock high-rise manifold. It's a C4B. Upper and lower control arms, so tubular. All new wiring, everything. 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, brand new master. It's a Holley 750 double pumper under there. Steel cowl hood. Brand new interior. Brand new seats, brand new carpet, sill plates, door panels. All the cranks and handles are all brand new. Brand new steering wheel. Again, we got a rear shifter, M21 Muncie. Retro sound. Find the right coup. Showing 31,899 miles on the odometer. Retro sound, all brand new speakers too. Added gauges. Brand new suspension, bought new body mounts. Frame connectors under here, Caltrac. Hideaways open up electronically. So the dash is also brand new. Everything is either new or restored in this car. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our website, weebyautos.com.